This eagle is the strongest eagle in the world. Meet the Harpy eagle. The Harpy eagle is distinguished by its large size, reaching a length of 1.06 meters and a weight of 9 kilograms. It has broad wings, strong claws, and a sharp beak. Known for his keen intelligence, he displays great hunting skills. The Harpy vulture is found in the Amazon rainforests of Central and South America. The Harpy eagle is an apex predator, feeding on a variety of animals including monkeys, sloths, squirrels, and snakes. It is known for its intelligence in hunting, as it uses different techniques to reach its prey, such as flying over forests in search of prey, and then using its strong claws to catch it.